Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and we are back with an exciting video. And we are giving away 10 of these, no, rather 12 of these uh, fast wireless chargers in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. This is one of the sleekest and smartest looking fast wireless chargers that I have come across. It is from a brand called Bazaardodo.com, and I'll leave a link to this website in the description section. In this video, we are not only going to unbox this and give you a quick features overview, we are also going to compare it with the two of the similar products in the market and show you how sleek this one is compared to the other two, which is by Samsung and Xiaomi. So let's keep these aside and let's first unbox this. Weirdly enough, the customs Indian customs opened my package, so I'm not sure if the unboxing is exactly how it should be, but the package was unboxed and opened when I received it. So they probably looked around what is this shipment, so they were more curious than me, I believe. So this is the wireless charger, and just to give you a perspective, this is around 6 millimeters slim. This is my smartphone, and this is how slim this charger is. It is IP67 water and dust resistant. You can actually put it underwater. Well, I would not recommend it, but yes, if you drop water on it, you will be fine. There should be no problem if you spill your coffee accidentally. It has these rubber pegs at the bottom. You can place it on the surface and put your phone for wireless charging, and it should be good. And it comes with 15 watt fast charging for Android phones and 7.5 watt for the iPhones. The cable here is quite slim, and that makes me a bit worried about the durability of this cable, but I would suggest that you don't bend it beyond a point. The output rating that you see here is 15 watt, and the input rating is 5 to 9 volt 2 amperes. So the maximum input it takes is 18 watt, and maximum output it gives is 15 watt. Now the features that it has is that this logo glows in the dark once you put it on charging. It is IP67 water resistant, and apart from that, it does not heat up too much because the coil is quite close to the phone, and the PCB and the coil are separated. Now to give you a perspective how a fast charger looks like, which comes with 15 watt rating, this is the one from Samsung, and it is a 15 watt, and you can see the thickness difference here. This is almost 2 to 3 times thicker than the one by Bazaardodo. And let me also show you the one from Xiaomi, and this is a 20 watt, so this is slightly faster than both of the other chargers, but this is also a fairly thick one. So let me take this out of the box, and here it is. It is very white, more white than I would expect, and this is much thicker than the other two and way more thicker than this. I think 5 to 6 times more thicker compared to the Bazaardodo. And this one is a 20 watt charger by MI or Xiaomi, and it also comes with some other accessories, which includes a power brick as well as a cable. So there are some more accessories bundled with this, while the other two come with a cable only. Well, now coming to the interesting part, I know you are waiting for the giveaway announcement. So since this comes shipped internationally, we don't have the physical units with us, but the Fox at Bazaardodo told us that they are giving away 12 $40 discount coupons to us, so that we will give you via email or through social media. So make sure you participate, you get a chance to get $40 discount. This one is retailing right now under $40, so we'll get 12 coupons of $40 each, so you can practically get this one for free. The retail price is $50. This one is right now selling for around $35 on their official website, so the discounts keep changing from time to time. So say it is priced at $40, you can get it for free. If it is at $45, you have to pay $5, and you can easily get one. So we'll give out 12 $40 discount coupons, which is approximately worth $500. So we are giving away $500 of prizes. So what you have to do to participate is that you have to leave a comment below, you have to like this video, and you have to share this video. If you want some brownie points, you can share this on social media and drop the links to those social media shares on the video comments in the video comment below the description of this video. So go ahead and participate in this. We'll announce the winners around 2 weeks later, and we'll pick 12 winners from the people who comment and subscribe and like the video, and we'll give away the discount coupons, $40 discount coupon each, one to each of those winners. So good luck to you. May you win, and stay subscribed and keep watching our videos. This is your host Rohit Khurana from Intellect Digest signing off. Thanks for watching.